impressively how loud it got for just the 2 subs and a no walk.
The box is everything.
Yeah,
And a
that's
ton
right.
of power.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I was like, I'm gonna take the paint out on building something. So
Yeah.
I stack pad this up.
Wow.
2-inch thick Lexan.
That's 2 inch. Okay. Yeah.
See the stress line up here to here.
Yes.
So
Wow.
that's the thickness on the glass.
This looks good. Is the box location optimized, or you just kind of put it in there?
So the box location where it sits kind of right here is where it meters at its best. But I built the whole box to this truck to sit window line. I gotta just recess the subs, and it officially sits window line, and then it fits within certain.
Yeah. Sweet. And your amp? Okay.
2 DD8Ks.
Oh, this is your 4-channel then? Oh no, that's one of them. Okay.
DD8Ks.
You have 2 of them in here.
Yeah, and then I have
Wow.
DD 4.3000 under the seat for the mids and highs. I only got 2 mids and highs. DD 6.5 Neos.
Okay.
We built this in a day. We're from Rhode Island. So Thursday night, we were having trucks. This is my wife's setup. We were having problems with her truck, so we had completely switched everything over. And we got everything done Friday night, headed out Thursday night. And then
Okay. Yeah. Wow. So this is
matched, but not set. I just turned the gains on.
okay.
We're playing.
Yeah. So what are these subs exactly?
So these are CAS Neos, 4-inch voice coil. They're also coming out with the black Neo. But we'll be doing some upgrades. These are motors I borrowed from a teammate to be here.
Okay.
And then we have some other setups. We were supposed to be here with a 415 no wall Neo setup, but we didn't have time. And, next year will be a different story.
So 4. So what are they, like 3K RMS? What's the rating on them, if you remember?
So, around,
I mean, you said you have an 8K on it.
I have an 8K on each, and I haven't smelled them yet. They're wired at 1 ohm.
Okay. This is beautiful. The boxes, man.
It's a semi-musical burp. So it gets down 20s and 30s.
It's a nice. How long is the port? That's very specific.
22.5.
Okay. Wow. How many cubes?
3.2.
That's about perfect then with the power you're running. Wow. Okay.
Pretty spot on. I'm trying to keep a little bit of cone control.
Yeah.
I think I might have to opt for the extra spiders on the next run.
Oh yeah.
Stiffen it up a little
Power
bit.
handling a little higher.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Throw a little more power in it.
Sweet. Yeah, I'll get a demo in a minute.
So it's a completely factory cabin, no deadener. The Jeep's clapped.
So, any high output alternator?
Yeah, it's gonna. I'm sorry.
That's all good.
It's gonna
260, 240, 320,
370.
370. Okay. Just 370 amp alternator. All right. And the battery bank is.
It's gonna. I believe it's 80 something amp hour Elition.
Is it under there? Or?
It's in the spare tire well.
Oh wow. Okay.
I borrowed
Got
it
it.
from my buddy Joey Zing on Team THF. He hooked it up. And
Okay. Can I see the alternator too, if that's all right? I like to see it all. You know how I am.
nothing special.
I understand. What year Jeep?
This is a 2004 Grand Cherokee.
Okay.
But I had to do the fuel pump right before we came, and I wired it directly to the battery. So this is how the fuel pumps ran, but
It works. All right. This is the power that makes the system get loud. Part of it, the alternator. So. And you said you broke a 55 out of that?
yeah. So
wow.
we were 53.9 at 29 with a lot less motor force subs, and we were on less than 4,000 RMS. We more than doubled the power, and with the motor force of the Neos, if we don't 55, we got problems.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, awesome. Or even more.
How?
Wow.
They built that in the backyard with a skill saw, a sander, and a jigsaw.
Or get it. And you've got this.
Yeah, man, we just threw some tape on it. It's completely fucked. It's not even on track.
Man. Dave from Team Bada Bing.
Team Bada Bing and
All
Team
right,
CAS.
Awesome. It's all good, man. Yeah, the connection or some people are having.
More people qualify for H&R Block 3 online.
Ready, cook up, ready, cook up.
So that sub's not even screwed down right now.
Yeah, it's bouncing a little bit. You can see it. Yeah.
Alright.
Man, I appreciate the demo, dude. Thank you very much. Dave from Team Bada Bing.
Team Bada Bing and Team CAS.
Awesome. Thank you for the demo. That was awesome.
Yes, sir.
Impressively how loud it got for just the 2 subs and a no wall too. So you can drink.
thank you. Absolutely.
The box is everything. So
The factory cabin, exactly. Box is everything.
Yeah,
and a
that's
ton
right.
of power.
And you've got this.
Yeah, man. We just threw some tape on it. It's completely fun. It's
Yeah.
on track.
Man, well, you have a good day, man.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate
You're
you.
welcome. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop